What's the meaning of antithesis? Antithesis. 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 Antithesis.
Antithesis refers to the rhetorical device of contrasting or opposing two ideas, concepts, or words in a sentence to create emphasis and draw attention. It is often used to show the stark difference between two things and can create a powerful effect. The use of antithesis can help to highlight the strengths and weaknesses of each idea or concept and can be an effective means of persuasion in speeches or writing. Overall, antithesis is a powerful literary tool that can effectively communicate contrast and create a more impactful message.